My name is Tina Amelia. You can call me Tina. I live in Pasir Toko, Sijaku, Lebak, Banten.
I am 27 years old. I was born in Lebak on 1998. My gender is female. My religion is Islam. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite color is blue and pink. My favorite food is meatballs and noodles. My favorite drinks are melon juice and coffee. And ambition is to be a teacher. My job as a housewife. Thank you very much, and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Dadah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.